let's go for the unboxing of this RAKK PBT keycaps in milk white. And the kind of white it uses is not those fake plasticky white that you usually see in fake knockoffs, but this one looks really classy and elegant, and it's very well packed and taped. So I'm getting my bearings here and cutting the cover for this one. It has both tabs in the left and the right side, as well as the bottom white sticker from the front going back through the lower lip of the lid. So it's very neatly packed, and it's nice, and it comes with this plastic bottom that holds all the keycaps together and placed the way it is supposed to be placed on a regular keyboard. So I'm just including this unboxing here mainly just to show you how I am planning to replace my old keycaps from the RAKK KIMAT XT, which comes in black, to replace it with the white caps that are coming from also RAKK, the RAKK brand. But this time they have a new, better looking logo, and you might hear some water splashing in the background. Just ignore that one, but it's from someone else. So right now I have it open, and as you can see here, it's clean white, not poor white that you can see in regular plastic. It comes with this keycap puller in orange that you can use to pull up the keycaps from your old keyboard, mechanical keyboard, to replace it with the new one. So as you can see here, it's the old keycaps, and I'm replacing it with a new one. So as you can see here, there's the blue tab for the keys, and I'm gonna replace it with the white. So you'll see the video next of the keycaps being replaced.